Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to install the Avada WordPress theme for free. Let's get started. First, head over to this website and search for Avada. Click on it to open the theme page. This site has many other themes, so feel free to explore those as well. Once you find Avada, click the download button to get the theme. After downloading, go to your WordPress admin dashboard. From there, go to Appearance and click Add New Theme. Now, click Upload Theme, select the Avada theme file you just downloaded, and then click Install. Once it's installed, click Activate. Next, you'll see the Avada setup page. Here, click the Activate Plugins button to get started. You can also add your site title and tags if you'd like. After that, click Next. Now, you can choose a website design from Avada's collection. It offers 108 pre-built websites. Let's take a quick look at some of them. I like this SEO theme, so I'll select it. Finally, click the Complete Setup button and wait a moment while everything installs. And that's it. Click Visit Site to see your new website live. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you set up your own Avada theme. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.